Let's see what else we got. Moderately heavy. Not a very heavy part in there because it's not going bang, bang, bang. Or it's packed really good. Maybe both. What do I think I bought to be like that? I don't know. It could be a brake backing plate, valve covers. It's not flywheels. Cam cover. I think there's a couple things in there, like maybe an axle beating on a backing plate or something. Maybe there's a kickstand in there. Who knows? It's a gas cap. There is an axle in there. So far that's Sportster junk. We have a coil for a Harley. Sportster brake shaft. Ooh, steering damper for a Sportster. That's nice. What an assortment of junk there. So we got one good part and a bunch of Sportster crap. There you go. Well, we could call it K model crap too, so yeah, that makes it better. Okay, this is a coil. It's for a big twin or a 45. It'll be 6-volt application. We know it's not a repop because it's made nicely, nice and tight. Not big ugly gaps everywhere. Obviously this has been broken and repaired. The wheels look kind of bubblegummy, but they're not too bad. It's actually, the wheels actually, they got penetration. This one here not quite as good, but it is penetrating. Big blow through right there, so I got something bonding right in that area. Yeah, these could be ground down and repainted, be not too bad. It's even relatively flat because it sits on studs on the motor. There's 2 standoff bolts that come off of here, so it doesn't really matter under here, except there's a coil. On a big twin, there's a terminal plate under here, so it'd be nice if that wasn't like that. So they went to this style coil in 47. In 46, they had a different design. They didn't have these ears out here. They had brackets that were 90 degrees off of here and had holes in them for bolting onto a sub bracket. So they uncomplicated it by just putting 2 holes in there. Of course, they break a lot more. But, whatever. Coil looks pretty nice. That doesn't mean it works, but it looks nice. It's got the original CAD tops on it, which is nice. Plug wires are older than hell, but at least they're made out of rubber. Those aren't Taiwan Teddy ones that just made out of plastic material. These are actually still probably usable. So you can tell by the wires here they're pretty long, so that's not a big twin. So on some kind of a flathead these came off of. Because this is real long wire for the rear, which means it went across all the way across the head on the flathead. And this one's really long, so it went way up frontward. So to the valve, on the overhead, the spark plugs are on the left side of the bike. On a 45, the rear plug's here, the front plug's way up over here, so it's a lot further away. And the Sportster, they had their coil, both wires are over here also. So anyway, nice looking coil. It's not dented, not rusted, not damaged. Might even work. Hell, that'd be a different one that actually works I buy. Most of the ones I get don't work. At least don't work very well. It's pig in the poke. You buy about 20 of these, you might get one good one. But you know, if you want original parts, that's what it costs. Yeah, I'm pretty good with that. So that'll work good on our 49 panhead if it actually works. Nice looking coil. So we'll see. All right, that's it for that one.